என்னும் எழுத்தும் என்னும் எழுத்தும் என்னும் எழுத்தும் என்னும் எழுத்தும் என்னும் எழுத்தும் என்னும் எழுத்தும் என்னும் எழுத்தும்.
Hi cuties, good morning.
Good morning.
Have a nice day cuties. Thank you. Cuties, yesterday you learned in linkers activity. Today we are going to learn in practicing the linkers or and. Okay, 3B activity, large group activity. First என்ன சொல்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா, எனக்கு பிடிச்சமான இது நான் சொல்கிறேன், அதே போல் நீங்களும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி சொல்லணும். ரெடியாக இருக்கீங்களா? ஓகே குட்டீஸ். ஐ லைக் a custard apple. I like a custard apple. I like a jackfruit. I like a jackfruit. I like a mango. I like a mango. Cuties, anyone girl or boy? Divanisan, stand up. Stand up cuties. What do you like? There are many fruits here. Cuties, there are many fruits here. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? இந்த பிக்சர் படிங்க, சொல்லுங்க. ஆப்பிள்.
I like an apple.
சூப்பர், குட், சூப்பர். கிளாப் பண்ணுங்கலாம் நம்ம திவானிஷனுக்கு. கம் ஹரிஹரன், கம். வாட், அங்கே பிக்சர் வாங்கிட்டு வாங்க. ஓகே குட்டீஸ், வாட் டு யூ லைக்?
I like an orange.
சூப்பர், ஐ லைக் an ஆரஞ்ச். இந்த ரெண்டு ஃப்ரூட்டும் பிடிக்கிறவங்க யாரு? கம் மூசிகா, சொல்லுங்க, எப்படி சொல்லலாம்?
I like both the fruits.
விரலை தொட்டு சொல்லுங்க. ஐ லைக்
I like both the
both the fruits. I like both the fruits. Good, super. Clap பண்ணுங்க மூணு பேருக்கும். Okay cuties, there are many fruits here. Which one is your favorite fruit? Anyone girl or boy, come here. Come here cuties. Cuties, what do you like? A pomegranate or papaya? Tell me. You say.
I like a pomegranate.
Good, super. You?
I like a papaya.
Papaya. You?
I like both the fruits.
Super, good. Clap, clap, clap cutie, clap cutie. Super, good. Cuties, there are many fruits here. Which one is favorite fruit? What do you like? Banana or and grapes? Banana or grapes? Tell me, what do you like?
I like a grapes.
Good, super.
I like a banana.
Good, super. You?
I like both the fruits.
Super, good. Clap, clap, clap. Good, super. Marguerite, what do you like? Mango or jackfruit?
I like a jackfruit.
Jackfruit, good, super. You?
I like a mango.
Good. You?
I like both the fruits.
Both the fruits. Good, super. Clap, clap, clap. Super, goodie. Go to your place. Goodie, show this your picture. Show this your picture.
I like.
Show this your picture. Goodies, show this your picture. What is this, goodie?
This is a bitter gourd.
This is.
I like.
What is this?
This is a potato.
Good. What do you like? Or rich gourd or potato? You say.
I like both the vegetables.
Good, super. You like?
I like a potato.
You.
I like a rich gourd.
Super. Next, come here. Sabarna, what do you like?
I like cauliflower.
Yeah, cauliflower.
I like a carrot.
Good. You?
Both the vegetables.
Both the vegetables.
The vegetables.
Super. Cauliflower and carrot. Good. Super. Next. What do you like? Brinjal or carrot? You say.
I like brinjal.
Yeah, brinjal.
I like a brinjal.
Good.
I like both the vegetables.
Tell me.
I like both the vegetables.
Both the vegetables. Good. Super. Okay, goodies. What do you like vehicles? Bike or car?
I like a bike.
Good.
I like a car.
You?
I like both the vehicles.
Super. Good. Clap, clap, clap. அழகா சொல்லிட்டீங்கடா. Good. Super, super.